toast, like a tablespoon of peanut butter, and then some raspberries and chia seeds. It's really, really good. And I also just made some Jabby coffee. I'll link it down below if you guys want to try it. I don't know about anybody else, but I am ready for 2023 to start. I grabbed quite a few books from my bookshelf and just stacked them, so that's what you guys are sitting on right now. I need to pick up some groceries. I'm going to finish my breakfast and get ready for the day. I also have a laser hair removal appointment tonight, so I might bring you guys along for that. So I just finished putting together my sister's wedding anniversary gift, and I wanted to show how it turned out. It's so gorgeous. I will link down below everything that I used and where I got it, but I just love how chic and pretty it looks, so I wanted to show you. Hi guys, so I'm back. I just finished getting ready, but I wanted to share something with you. I am actually going to be taking the St. Tropica Hair Vitamin Challenge, and I am so grateful because one of my first YouTube videos, like 4 to 5 years ago on my channel, was me reviewing a St. Tropica hair mask actually. So it's just nice that it's come full circle and now I actually get to work with the brand. So I'm so excited to start using these, and I just want to tell you guys a little bit more about it. So this is like the perfect time. It's a new year, fresh start, fresh haircut, and I'm going to see how long my hair can grow using these vitamins. And the St. Tropica 60-day hair challenge guarantees longer, stronger hair in just 60 days. And also, if you don't love your results after trying this, they do guarantee 100% money back. So yeah, it's a great offer, and that's why I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I am so excited to start trying this. I've been waiting to film this video, so today is going to be my day 1 of trying these out. Also, they are allergen-free, cruelty-free, vegan, which fits perfect into my lifestyle. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what these look like and then take one right now. I also am going to measure my hair just so you can see the starting point, and in 60 days I am going to share my full results. So that'll be in March, since you guys are seeing this video January 1st. So in March I will share the results and we will see how long my hair gets to be. And I will be taking 1 capsule every day for 60 days. If you guys want to take the challenge with me, I will leave the link for 10% off right here. I'll leave it down below in the description box as well. I think it'd be really nice for all of us to take the challenge at the same time, and we can see how long our hair grows. And I'm going to take one right now. So let's just take 1 capsule, and they're really not that big if you're not into like swallowing pills. It's really not that bad. Plus it'll be worth it if you want longer, stronger hair. See, so that's super easy. Just take 1 capsule a day. I'm going to take mine in the morning when I eat breakfast. And yeah, let's measure my hair now and see what length we're at. I'm gonna start it here at my root and then go down. So what are we at? About 19 inches, 18 to 19. So we will see how long it gets to be. I'm hoping for at least like an inch or 2. That'd be amazing. Okay, and then this is a back view of my hair and my hair length. This is today's casual outfit of the day. Black puffy coat from Old Navy. Black wrap top is from Abercrombie. White cozy pants are from Target. And then my Jen Ardor sneakers. And my Ralph Lauren bag. And that's everything. I do post a lot more of my outfit photos over on Instagram and like daily updates. And then YouTube is just going to be more of like once a week vlogs and different types of videos. So if you guys want to follow me over on Instagram, I will link that here. But let's go ahead and go pick up groceries for the week. For fragrance, I'm going to wear Victoria's Secret Heavenly. This is their Fine Fragrance Mist. I also love the actual full perfume, but I just want something quick today. Smells so good. I will link everything that I mentioned like in this entire video down below, guys, if you are interested in getting any of this. Or like for things that are older, I'll try and find similar items so you guys can still kind of achieve the same look. So I just picked up my groceries, but I wanted to share a little tip with you guys this year. For the new year, if you're trying to save money, when you go out and about, just make coffee and put it in like a cute container. Make coffee at home, put it in a cute container, and then you just have this on the go, because it can be tempting when you pass by. Oh, there's people just everywhere. It's busy today. But yeah, what was I saying? Oh, it can be tempting when you pass by like Starbucks and Dunkin' and all of the little flavorful holiday drinks look so good. So I always just bring my own coffee to save money, because we're all about saving money in 2023, guys. That is what you should be doing. So, or saving money where you can, you know? It just seems like a little bit outrageous to be paying like $5 to $10 to get coffee every day, because that adds up. So I'm going to head home. I might show you guys what groceries I got, or some of the things that I get. Coco is here with me. Coco, you want to say hello? Hello. Hello. Yes, I love car rides. Yes, I love car rides. Please don't judge her look. She is getting groomed here in like a week. I was just letting her hair grow out to kind of see what it looks like, and I like letting her hair grow out in the winter because she gets like really fluffy and puffy looking. But yeah, I'm gonna head home and I will see you guys there. Say hi, Coco. Yeah, her name's Coco. Everybody loves Coco everywhere we go. She is loved. Okay guys, so I am going to do a little PR unboxing of some things that brands have sent me. I actually got to pick out a few items from Protein World that they were going to send me, so I'm excited to see what they look like. First, it looks like we have one of their vegan blend protein powders, which I just ran out of my protein powder, so I'm excited to try this one out. And it's a big bag too, so it should last me a while. This is the vanilla ice cream flavor. And what else? This is the vegan pancake mix. This sounds so good. And I love that everything is vegan. I believe they have non-vegan options too, but I just went with the vegan options. And then also I ran out of my BCAA powder that I was using, that I mix with water, like while I'm working out or after. So I saw that they had the BCAA capsules, so I'm excited to try these too. I think they look really interesting. I've never tried BCAAs in a capsule form. Of course, we have some scoops for the protein powder. And then they sent me a big shaker for the protein powder as well. So it's really nice. It's like a nice quality metal material. So that is from Protein World. I most likely am going to do a separate video showing you guys how I use this, like after I work out, or maybe like a workout routine video, or maybe a what I eat in a day. So look out for that on my channel soon. But one of my goals for 2023, I was pretty good at sticking with my workout routine for 2022, but I just want to go harder for 2023 and really try and see how much muscle I can gain. So the next package I got is from Merit Beauty. I just got this in the mail today. It's so pretty. It says Minimalist Beauty. Picked up 2 items that I've been wanting to try. I do already have a few of their tinted lip oil shade slicks, but I got another one in a shade that I don't have yet, and this is called Au Naturel. It's a very pretty natural shade, and I just like my makeup to be very like fresh and simple recently on the day-to-day, like daily looks. Also, I picked up another one of their Day Glow highlighting balms in Kava. This is so beautiful. I'm actually wearing this today on the high points of my face. So my nose, my cupid's bow, right here, a little bit on my forehead. It's a beautiful, beautiful champagne color, and I'm just obsessed. Their packaging too is just so sleek. So I'll be taking some photos for these on Instagram, and I am going to be doing a makeup look here on YouTube using those products, so look out for that as well. So next are some products from Nanoil. So this is the hair volume enhancer and the collagen face serum. So let me see what these look like. Again, the packaging is so cute. It's like black and white with this black like fluff. I always try and reuse the packaging that brands send me just so I'm not like throwing it away, or I recycle it. But a lot of it's so pretty that I always want to like reuse it and gift it to other people. So this is the Hair Volume Enhancer. Even the packaging is so pretty. So I'm excited to try this on my hair just to give it some more volume. So this says it provides instant hair volume, lifted roots, protection and resilience, and easy styling and shine. And it says it's perfect for fine or heavy hair. So I'm very excited to try this out. Ooh, again, packaging so cute. Right now I do use a shampoo and conditioner that has collagen in it, and it's so great. So I'm excited to try out a face serum with collagen. So we'll see how I like that. Again, I like to do updates like daily about different products that I'm using over on my Instagram. So if you want more of like a daily updates or follow me there, it's a lot more fun. And also my TikTok, so I will link those down below. Last package is from Etika. So this is gorgeous jewelry, and they let me pick out a few different pieces that I'm going to feature over on my Instagram, but I wanted to show you guys here too. Packaging is so beautiful. It's like this ivory satin bag. I picked up this kind of like trio set of bracelets. You can wear them as singles too, so gorgeous. I just love that you can wear these separately or together depending on what kind of look you're wanting to go for. I love hoops. I almost always wear these hoops that my mom got me. They're just like a very thin, simple daily hoop, but I saw these on their website and I thought these would just be gorgeous for more of like a statement hoop. These are just gorgeous. I love these so much. I kind of want to try them on. Let me show you guys what they look like. Let's see. I think they're just gonna, they're really pretty because they're going to add more of like a statement, you know, like a statement earring, just for something a little bit different. So that's what they look like. What do we think? I think it looks so pretty. I'll link everything down below, but gorgeous. Gorgeous. So I might just keep those on for the rest of the day. Last product that I picked out is this necklace. It's gorgeous. So it looks like this. It's half like string of pearls and half this gold kind of hoop detailing, and this is so gorgeous. I just think, again, it's such a great statement piece. I normally am wearing this really simple like dainty necklace. To have something a little bit more substantial and to kind of elevate a simple look, this is gorgeous. So again, I'll link everything down below. The packaging is so pretty. This would be a great gift for like Valentine's Day coming up, or just if anybody has like a birthday coming up or anniversary. And the packaging is just so gorgeous. So highly recommend those. Those are absolutely beautiful. I love it. So that is everything that brands have sent over. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I don't think I've ever done more of like a PR like brand unboxing before, so if you like this, let me know and I can do it more. I'm starting to get more products from brands, so it's fun to share it with others, not just myself, and you know, show other people that this is possible. If you're wanting to do something like this, you know, just believe in yourself and keep going. So yeah, that's it. I don't know if this is going to be the end of the vlog. If it is, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. For the rest of the day, I am going to be doing emails, creating a little bit more content for Instagram, editing content, and gonna make some dinner, and yeah, hang out with Coco. Oh, I do have my laser hair removal appointment tonight, so I might show you guys that. But from there, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you guys enjoyed, and I will do more of these like daily vlogs. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video.